आयतारा पणजे स्ट्रॉंगमॅन इंडिया लीग जाले. ह्या वेळार महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटे मानाचे सोयरे म्हण हजर आशिल्ले. आरडीएक्स स्क्वा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
So it's all you guys, it is within you to say never give up. It's my determination to prove myself that my mind is stronger than my body. Something that each individual would like to say. But when we come through a life of politics, we also say mind has to be stronger over the body. Every phase is the mind which takes you somewhere, and today is a day for all of you to perform. I'm sure all of you all must have donned colors. A lot of you must have already donned colors in the earlier things, taken your medals, must have been having elevated positions, coming here to prove your worthiness. And I'm sure there must be some new stars who would like to be born today. I wish you guys also success. I wish you all the very best for today. It would have been a little feather in the cap if we had a participant from Goa also within this group of 40. Nevertheless, as this program creates the awareness, I'm made to understand that these finalists will be going to Finland. The exposure levels for all of you, I think the sky is the limit.
That's the first clear lift. Guys, put your hands together once again. Come on.
Very good. Go, come on. Last one. Jaldi. Very good. Press करना अच्छे से. Press. Nice.
इनको सब